This is a review of using the distance formula to find the equation of a quadratic function, given the focus and the directrix. If you look over at the diagram and the graph on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the directrix is sketched in here at y equals -2, and there's a function of which we do not know the equation, and the focus is at 0.02. Please also note that the vertex lies directly in the middle, at the midpoint between the focus and the directrix. So if you know any two of these, you can figure out the third, the position of the third on the graph. So for this example, we're going to be using the distance formula, and the way that you are going to be applying that is you're using the focus, the x and y coordinates of the focus, and also the x and y coordinates of the directrix. In this case, it's x -2. We use x because as a horizontal line, x could be any number on that line. So the first thing you're going to do is set up your distance formula. This is the formula without any of the values from our problem input. What we're going to do on the left-hand side is input the values from the directrix. So this x1 is going to be replaced by the x from the ordered pair over here, and the y1 will be replaced by -2. On the right-hand side, the x2 is going to be replaced by the x coordinate of the focus, and the y2 is going to be replaced by the y coordinate 2 from the focus. And that's shown right here. And then the next step is to simplify. X minus x will be 0. 0 squared is 0. That'll cancel out. This will be simplified to y plus 2 squared. And over here, x minus 0 is x. And then we square that, and that's how you get x squared down here on the next row. And then finally, we just bring down y minus 2 squared. The next step is to remove your square root signs by squaring each side, and then FOIL or multiply the binomial y plus 2 squared and y minus 2 squared. And that happens on the next row. All right. Once it's all expanded, then you can start to cancel out values that appear on both sides of the equal sign. So the y squared here and the y squared here will cancel, and the 4, the plus 4, and the plus 4 will cancel. So what happens next is you'll have 4y equals x squared minus 4y. By adding 4y to both sides, you get 8y equals x squared. That step is somewhat skipped here. And finally, just divide both sides by 8 to get y equals x squared divided by 8, or y equals 1/8 x squared.